Sometimes in our day, we need the opportunity to quickly reset. And this Yoga Nidra will allow you to build the capacity and resilience that you need to continue on with your day in a way that you want it to be. Begin to find yourself into a lying down position or one that will feel best for your body today. And as you move into this position of comfort, welcome in any props that will allow you to support yourself in deeper relaxation. And once you've settled in to your Nidra nest, you may close your eyes or take a soft gaze. And let's begin with the breath. Inhaling deeply through the nose, feeling your belly expand and rise towards the sky. Exhale, sigh it out your mouth, letting everything go. Do that again, and as you inhale through the nose, feel your shoulders rise up towards your ears. Inhaling deeply, filling the belly, belly rising to the sky, shoulders coming up towards the ears. And then exhale, letting everything go, feeling the shoulders release, dropping away, releasing tension. One more time, repeating the breath and repeating the shoulders if that feels good to you. Inhaling deeply, filling the belly. Exhaling, letting everything go, feeling the body dissolve into a puddle as you exhale. And welcome the experience of your body becoming really heavy. Feeling the head become heavy. And as the head becomes heavy, the neck releases and softens. And all the intricate knots of tension and stress that accumulate in your neck and your shoulders slowly unwinds. Feeling the upper body become heavy. And the lower body become heavy. Sensing into this feeling as though a weighted blanket has been placed over your body in a way that feels good to you. And it feels like just the right amount to allow your body to let go. As I begin the body scan, allow your attention to move from one body part to the next. Bring all of your awareness to the top of your head, the center of your forehead, the eyes, tip of the nose, the mouth, hollow pit of the throat, center of the chest, the right shoulder, elbow, wrist, the palm of the right hand, Notice all 5 fingers at once on the right hand. Center of the chest, left shoulder, left elbow, wrist, palm of the left hand, awareness to all 5 fingers of the left hand at once. Center of the chest, navel center, pelvic center, right hip, knee, ankle, top of the foot, all 5 toes on the right foot at once. Pelvic center, left hip, left knee, ankle, top of the foot, all 5 toes on the left foot at once. Move your awareness to your breath. And just observe your natural breath as you inhale and exhale. And begin to count the breath down from 10 to 1. Inhale 10, exhale 10. Inhale 9, exhale 9. Letting the breath go, moving your awareness to behind your forehead, and allow yourself to just be here, deeply resting. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Exhale, let it go. Repeating again, bringing the intention of slowly awakening the body. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Begin to become aware of your body. Noticing the outline. Noticing the weight. Noticing the temperature of your skin. And when you're ready, start to take small movements to awaken your body. Moving into larger movements that nourish your body and slowly awaken it with love. Taking your time, noticing how much of a shift you had and the benefits of even a short practice. Your practice of Yoga Nidra is now complete.